Hey there everyone, welcome back to Gaming Basics, and on today's episode of Zynga Poker, I'm gonna show you how to change your passport. So without further ado, let's dive right into it. Now first thing first, open up your Zynga Poker. And once you're on the main menu, just tap on the setting icon that is located in the bottom right corner of the screen. You can see a bunch of settings right here. Just go to Manage Passport. Now once you're inside Manage Passport, just go ahead and put in your old passport where it says Old Passport. Now type in your new passport below it where it just says Passport. And keep in mind that your new passport also should be between 6 to 9 characters long. After typing in your new passport, retype your passport below it to confirm your passport. After typing in your new passport, just tap on the green button that says Update. And just like that, your password has been successfully changed. So that's it for today's video guys. If you have any questions, just leave your queries in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more useful videos as such. And be sure to hit that notification bell so you never miss our future videos. Thanks for watching.